Summer is fast approaching. There's no better time to make sure the pool is in perfect order for splash season than right now. Keeping the water clean, safe, and sparkling are top priorities for most homeowners.
When summertime comes around, one of our favorite things to do is spend time with the girls in our pool. It's an easy, fun, and cost-efficient way to spend an afternoon.
Absolutely. It tires them out, and they have a lot of fun with the floats, swimming, jumping, diving. Being new pool owners, we moved from the Northeast, we moved down to Florida. We enjoy the pool, but we worry a little bit making sure that the water level is good and the water is safe for the kids.
Getting into pool season, it's really important to make sure that all of your equipment is working properly, that you have your brushes and your nets in working order and condition, and it's really important that you have clean, healthy, and safe water to swim in.
So being first-time pool owners, we really had no idea who to turn to when it came to our pool maintenance. We've seen Leslie's around town in several shopping centers.
We drive by all the time.
We figured we'd pop on in one day and have a conversation about the best way to maintain our new pool.
Leslie's has been keeping pools and spas crystal clear and primed for family fun since 1963. They're experts in helping homeowners get ready for pool time.
Well, we all want our pools to be safe, number one, and we want them to look great, but we also want to make sure they're in balanced condition so that they don't irritate your skin and that they're just fun and feel great to spend time in. So there's a lot of steps involved to taking care of a pool, and one of the things that Leslie's offers is a pool care checklist. This checklist is designed to go step by step on a weekly, monthly, and quarterly basis to make sure you're taking care of all the important components to your pool to keep it clean, safe, and healthy. Some of the services that Leslie's provides are in-store water testing, as well as expert advice and pool cleaner inspections. We also have a nationwide service department that provides at-home service and repair, as well as installations.
With 930 nationwide stores, there's a great chance all of your pool supply product needs can be met with one short trip.
The great thing about coming into a Leslie's store is you can find everything from pool care to pool fun, from goggles to swimming floats to all of the different toys you want for your pool, all the way to cleaning products, nets and brushes, as well as all the sanitation products you'll need to keep your water clean, healthy, and safe. Another thing customers can expect to find in our stores are all of their equipment needs. Things like filters and pumps and heaters, and of course, the one thing you're always going to find at Leslie's is expert advice. Additionally, in our stores, you can find in-store services, things like pool cleaner inspections and even salt cell system checks, and shop work and repair. It's normal for customers to walk right into one of our stores where they're greeted by a pool expert, and a lot of times they come in and they already have a water sample from their pool and they want to know the health of their pool, and other times they have more specific problems where they need some expert advice. And we're more than happy to walk them through all of the issues that they're having and provide solutions for them. So one of the free services we provide in stores is an in-store water test, and that's done through our AccuBlue system, which takes only 60 seconds to complete a test. Once that's completed, we're able to provide to the customer a printout of an analysis of their water with a customized plan on how to treat it and make sure that they have clean, healthy, and safe pool water. In addition to coming in our stores, you can also shop us online. You can buy online and pick up in store. We also offer curbside pickup, and we also have a Pool Perks program that gives you 5% back on all of your purchases.
For more in-depth solutions, Leslie's also offers a thoroughly trained and licensed nationwide service department to serve all your pool repair, installation, and service needs.
Leslie's also has a nationwide service department that does everything from equipment installations, filter cleaning, pool openings, safety fence installations, and we also have a pool school for all the do-it-yourselfers.
Whether you are a do-it-yourselfer or you like to have someone else look after your pool, go into the store. They have great maintenance programs and fun things for the kids, and they can take care of you in the store and at your home.
Right, they have nationwide service, so if you need someone to come over. And we have friends that are going to be building a pool, and we definitely recommend Leslie's.
For info on how you can keep the summer smiles bright and your pool in perfect working order, visit lesliespool.com and designingspaces.tv.